Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of removing your phone number from Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. Once you're in Gmail, locate and click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Google Account. Step 4. In the Google account settings, click on the Personal Info tab. Step 5. Under the Contact Info section, find and click on Phone Number, which corresponds to your phone number. Step 6. Next to your phone number, you'll see a delete icon. Click on it. Step 7. A prompt will appear. Click on Remove Number to confirm the deletion. Step 8. Lastly, in the box that appears, carefully follow the instructions provided to complete the process. By removing your phone number from Gmail, you can enhance your privacy and security. Remember to keep your account information up to date and secure. And there you have it. You now know how to remove your phone number from Gmail on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.